Sweet being here. It's DeJohn checking in with you from the Long Island Marriott in New York. And the PGA Tour is here this week, so this is what they consider an upgrade. Also, there's the Concierge Lounge, so we're going to check that out. And there's a fair nearby, so we'll see that as well. So here's a travel secret, packing cubes. A packing cube about this size can fit 4 pairs of socks. Stuff them in like so, zip them up, and then you condense space. These packing cubes are helpful to save space in your carry-on.